BitTorrent is a file-sharing mechanism using P2P. BitTorrent has a long history dating back to 2003. It's now commonplace to upload and share large files to online services like Dropbox, but in 2003, it was still difficult to upload and share large amounts of data. At that time, a file-sharing application using P2P was popular. I shared files by publishing files on my hard disk and communicating directly with other users on a one-to-one basis. Due to the way BitTorrent works, when a user downloads a file, it goes to the side of uploading the file. The more files you upload, the faster you will be when you download the files using BitTorrent. However, many users quickly quit the BitTorrent app, regardless of the benefits of faster downloads. That's because it's enough if you can get the files you want. As a result, file sharing has become impossible. Therefore, we are trying to solve this problem by creating a situation where users can get BTT by turning to the upload size. We will also explore new BitTorrent use cases by incorporating tokens. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll talk about will BitTorrent making us millionaires and explain everything we know about BTT crypto. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started quickly. What is BitTorrent? BitTorrent is a P2P or peer-to-peer file sharing platform released in 2001. Initially, BitTorrent was a simple P2P file sharing software, not as blockchain technology. BitTorrent was developed by Bram Cohen and released in 2003. It does not require a central server and has a distributed file mechanism using P2P. BitTorrent's file-sharing mechanism was epoch-making, and it was possible to distribute the load that was concentrated on people with fast lines at that time. When you share a file with BitTorrent, the file is split into several pieces that are distributed and stored on the hard disk of the user running the BitTorrent app on the internet. The person who downloads the file can obtain a single file by collecting and downloading the fragments of the file distributed on the internet. Relationship between BitTorrent and Tron. BitTorrent is an acquisition by Tron, which is famous for crypto assets or virtual currency. In short, BitTorrent entered the blockchain industry in the form of being acquired by Tron. BitTorrent's original token BTT. BitTorrent was acquired by Tron in July 2018. In February of the following year, we released BTT, a token unique to BitTorrent. BTT is generated in the Tron blockchain and adopts the original standard TRC10. What is the TRC10 standard adopted by BTT? BitTorrent's original token BTT adopts TRC10 standard. TRC10 is a type of virtual currency token that can be issued on the Tron blockchain. It can be issued by Tron blockchain users for 1000 2040 RX. It is difficult to understand the technical aspect, but it's okay if you think that BitTorrent BTT token was issued using the Tron blockchain. BitTorrent's past and future. BitTorrent was, in a sense, a pioneer of blockchain. P2P is a network in which users support each other's mechanisms. Bitcoin also adopts P2P and users generate transactions through mining and the transaction is completed. Looking back on the ages, Bitcoin was born in 2009 and BitTorrent in 2001, so it can be said that it is a pioneer of P2P technology. BitTorrent and illegal download. BitTorrent still has 2 billion users worldwide using P2P networks. P2P has a large market because it does not require a server and users all over the world support file sharing. However, BitTorrent has a history of being a hotbed for illegal uploads of movies and game software with its rapid expansion. BitTorrent will evolve with blockchain technology in the future. The future of incorporating blockchain technology based on BitTorrent's past. It is expected that the old P2P will be replaced by the new P2P. In the past, P2P did not require a server, and the merit of smooth file sharing was at the same level as it is today. However, there is no technology to prove in the digital world such as security and copyright. By incorporating blockchain technology into BitTorrent, issues such as security and copyright can likely be solved. For example, it can be said that it is a big advantage that it is now under the umbrella of Tron. Since the transaction generated on the blockchain has a mechanism that cannot be changed, it seems to be effective as a countermeasure against the illegal upload of BitTorrent. Project Atlas, jointly developed by BitTorrent and Tron. Tron acquired BitTorrent and migrated, and the development of a new platform was also announced. With the announcement of the jointly developed Project Atlas, It is expected to grow as a P2P file-sharing platform. Collaborative development is underway to develop a new content distribution platform that realizes the above characteristics. In addition, Project Atlas has backward compatibility and is suitable not only for PCs but also for mobile terminals. In line with Tron's philosophy, we have seen the possibility of making a big leap forward with the acquisition of BitTorrent, a mechanism that allows creators to distribute their content. A structure such as paying tokens to uploaders will be incorporated to use accelerated file downloads. In file sharing, BitTorrent's own token, BTT, is used as a reward. BitTorrent's P2P has been an innovative technology since then. In the past, it was a mechanism to prepare a large-scale server and share files, but BitTorrent makes it possible to use smooth uploads and download without the need of a server. However, in modern times, safer, faster, and more diverse methods are possible with blockchain technology. We felt that the acquisition of Tron was a good strategy. We have high expectations for what kind of economic zone 100 million users will create in the future. BitTorrent's value could skyrocket later this year. BitTorrent is one of the cryptocurrencies that have a peer-to-peer network like any other cryptocurrency. The difference is that this BTT provides a file-sharing service for the user. BitTorrent has the best performance, growing over 2,500% throughout 2020 and can grow until April 2021. Market watchers are optimistic that BTT will continue to be positive in 2021. The Nasdaq reports that the BTT cryptocurrency has undergone a positive change after BitTorrent was acquired by Tron Foundation. The new owner will introduce a cryptocurrency with the same name as before. It aims to extend the protocol and provide incentives for network participants. BTT coins are designed for those who need faster, free download and upload speeds. The company is improving its services and laying the foundation for the future growth of the platform. BTT itself has a limited supply of 990 billion coins on its own. The distribution of tokens began in early 2019. The plan is for the BitTorrent Foundation to open more coins in 2028. At first, BTT was difficult to develop. Cryptocurrencies need to fight up and down between 2019 and 2020. But by 2021, BTT is growing very rapidly. BTT's performance is now fairly stable in the last few weeks. Digital coin market analysis believe BitTorrent will exceed a penny this year. BTT prices are also expected to continue rising each year until 2028. Similarly, Trading Beast observers said BTT is likely to rise with a significant margin this year. BTT growth is projected to be felt after the end of May. Coinpedia's market watchers have expressed a more optimistic tone, but said BTT will break $1 by the end of 2021. The increase will continue until 2022. BitTorrent Protocol. The underlying BitTorrent protocol, which is a protocol for file transfer using P2P technology. P2P is the cornerstone of decentralization used in all virtual currencies such as Bitcoin, but the BitTorrent protocol is the world's largest decentralized protocol that surpasses Bitcoin in terms of number of users. In terms of numbers, the number of Bitcoin addresses is about 30 million, but the number of BitTorrent users is about 1 billion, which is about 30 times as large. The BitTorrent protocol uses P2P to facilitate the transfer of large files, unlike the formats required by traditional servers, and was first developed by Bram Cohen in 2001. Since the BitTorrent protocol transfers subdivided files between multiple terminals, file transfer can be performed more efficiently than the conventional one-to-one transfer between a user and a server. The user uses the BitTorrent client to download a specific file. Regarding the BitTorrent protocol, there are some terms to keep in mind for use in the following discussions. They are swarm and seed. Users use the BitTorrent client to download a particular file, and the group with which that particular file is shared is called swarm. This swarm uploads and downloads the target file, and the person who owns the target file in its complete form is called a seed or a seeder. This is an individual feeling, but we think that there are many scenes where the person who owns the file in its complete form is called the seeder, and the uploading action by the seeder is called the seed. The exchange of files in the BitTorrent protocol is essentially bartering. Instead of downloading the file unilaterally, upload the downloaded file to someone again. This will keep the file in the swarm and make it available for download by future users of the swarm. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts down in the comment section.